During the airstrike on Hamas forces in the Gaza Strip, a video appeared on social networks highlighting Israel's AH-64 Apache attack helicopter actively participating in attack activities, using a 30mm train gun and Hellfire missiles. Israeli attack helicopters target and eliminate various objects associated with Hamas militants. Israel remained 2 squadrons of US-manufactured Apache helicopters at the Ramon Air Base in the Negev desert. These 2 squadrons are distinct in their helicopter models. The 113th Squadron, commonly called Seraph, handles the AH-64D choppers, while the 190th Squadron, known as Peten, operates the AH-64A model. In the past, these helicopters have experienced operational issues. Despite these incidents, the Apache helicopter remains a critical asset for the Israeli Air Force, playing a pivotal role in its ability to target diverse objectives. Apache began service back in 1984, was manufactured in more than 2,400 copies, and is the most common combat helicopter in the world. The Israeli Air Force first received AH-64As in 1990 for a fleet of 42 by 2000. In 2000, Israel was interested in acquiring up to 48 AH-64Ds, but U.S. reluctance to share the short code complicated the prospect. In April 2005, Boeing delivered the Israeli Air Force first AH-64D. In 2009, the sale of 6 AH-64Ds was reportedly blocked by the Obama administration pending interagency review over concerns they may pose a threat to civilian Palestinians in Gaza. The Israelis followed their own development path and modernized their attack helicopters on their own. In 2010, the Israeli Air Force pursued upgrades to its AH-64A fleet as new AH-64D orders had been blocked. Photographs of Israeli Air Force AH-64 attack helicopters in Gaza show some carrying a conspicuous capsule under their bellies. The container, which can be seen mounted just behind the 30mm cannon, contains an additional avionics package, and it is the secret that helps the Israeli Apaches remain at the top despite the age of many of them. In the AH-64D Serpent model, in addition to the AN/APG-78 longbow over-the-hub mast radar, the differences from the D model consist of a large share of avionics, weapons, and Israeli-made self-defense equipment, which is not available on the standard Apache. Radar, voice, and data communications complex, and LTA-1891 satellite communications, with protruding convex antennas located on the outer parts of the pylons. Orbit Helicom Mission Management System, which provides real-time visibility of the battlefield. The Lisra Seraph Self-Defense Complex, which includes the SBS-65 Missile Attack Warning System, the SBJ-40 Radar Jammer, and the Orbit Roca Active Countermeasure System, which shoots thermal traps, jammers, and decoys. Today, the Israeli Air Force relies on a squadron of AH-64As and AH-64Ds. In addition to locally produced avionics and a self-defense suit, These helicopters carry Israeli-made weapons, including the Spike NLOS missile, which is planned for use on the U.S. Army's Apaches. Known in Israeli weapons lists as the TAMAS, this electro-optically guided weapon, which can be considered a loitering munition, has a range of about 20 kilometers. Israeli AH-64 are often armed with both the AGM-114 Hellfire and the Spike NLOS, with the Israeli-made missile serving as a complementary weapon to complement the capabilities of the U.S. supply Hellfires. In particular, Spike NLOS boasts a guidance system with two operating modes. One of them allows him to simply hit stationary targets at given coordinates, another mode in which the operator can adjust the final phase of the missile's flight using a video stream transmitted from an infrared camera in the nose of the missile. In addition to its role in engaging targets on the ground and the air, Israeli AH-64s, with their powerful sensors and communication systems, are also well equipped to operate in the intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance role. This use is especially relevant in close support operations for ground troops, such as in Gaza, as well as in patrolling Israel's extensive and often tense borders areas. In total, Israel has 48 AH-64s on both versions in service, of which less than 20 are advanced D models. Photos from the current Gaza campaign confirm that the upgraded AH-64A remains an important part of the Israeli Air Force attack helicopter fleet, despite its age. In general, a successful experiment with a venture container showed that this practice with imported military equipment, how to take everything good and make it even better. In the case of Israel, modernization using locally developed subsystems has a very positive effect on the properties of the combat vehicle.